Happy and excited that I'm over here, and I just hope that thank you and for your entire team for making it something great. It's good, yeah. It's good like something like this is out there. I'm totally looking forward to it. कि मैं इसको कैसे incorporate करूँ. So yeah, that's it.
Can you talk about your passion about sound?
Passion about sound,
Yeah.
Especially in car.
Yes.
Man, फिर तो बहुत स्कूल मतलब कॉलेज टाइम से चला जाएगा when the whole angle it will be like very crazy. But always having a good sound system in the car is a lot of fun क्योंकि हम बम्बई जैसे शहर या मेट्रो सिटीज में जब रहते हैं ना हमारा आधे से ज़्यादा जीवन जो है वो गाड़ी में गुजरता है ट्रैफिक की वजह से तो वहाँ पर म्यूजिक जो है plays a very important part and it's great that you're coming up with something like that and I'm really looking forward to it.
Actually, now we have segregated 3 shows. That's lighting solution and accessories.
Okay.
The second one is audio.
Okay.
And the third one is upholstery.
Okay.
So we have segregated the
Please.
We are segregating now. This is the car accessories and lighting solution. The next one is the audio solutions and the third one is upholstery. So, जिसको जो चाहिए separately, you can come and choose your products when you want. And all are branded stuff.
And you got your own Insta and everything on it.
Everything.
Oh, that's right.
We've been into the industry since 32 years. So, ये भी थोड़ा expansion किया तो you guys are always welcome here.
No, looking forward to that. And thank you so much for having me here. Really happy about it.
Our pleasure.
Anything specific product material जो गाड़ी में रहना एक काफी important होता है आपको लगता है ऐसा क्या है ऐसा चीज आपको जो लगता है?
I think the most important thing in a car in today's time is दो चीजें जो मेरे हिसाब से good sound system and very simple thing but a way to just for your phone to be attached in a place that you can keep seeing where you're traveling.
Right.
It's a very simple thing but it's needed and if you have the right gear with you and a good sound system, your life is made on a road trip. I love long road trips so I enjoy that.
And if we talk about your favorite car,
My favorite car?
Yeah.
My favorite cars, I'm into monster trucks actually. I love those big cars with big tires. I'm not into sports cars. I'm not into
Sedans
yeah, I'm not into that. I am more into those big, chunky looking cars, big monster trucks or hot rods. I like stuff like that. And that is my preference. Pleasure being here. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Please welcome. And just take care.